Students of 10th standard, good morning. Back to our English lesson. We were doing lesson number 2.5, that is Let's March. Now this Let's March means the author is asking each and every individual to do such a work that some people will follow you, they will follow your footsteps, and these footsteps of yours will be benefited for others. Now the lesson, that is Let's March, written by Kailash Satyarthi. Now Kailash Satyarthi, he is specially focused on child rights, child's freedom, and he is specially concerned for the child's freedom, what a child has to get. He is showing much of his concern towards child, and he says that child labor should be abolished. Now in his story or lesson, he has spoken of a girl, that is Malala. Malala is a social activist. She has got Nobel Peace Prize, and sometimes the Taiwans have shorted her. She had got, or she was having serious injuries. Then she treated herself and now she is fine. Now the second part of the lesson we will do. It talks about a small bird and a wild animal, that is lion. Once what had happened, the fire had caught fire and all the animals were running out of the forest. The king of the jungle, that is lion, the lion was also running out of the forest. But a small bird was rushing into the forest. Seeing this little bird, the lion asked, "Where are you going? The fire is there in the forest, or the forest has burst into fire. Why are you going into the forest?" The little bird says, "I am going to extinguish the fire." The lion laughed. "What can you do with a drop of water in your mouth? Will you be able to extinguish the fire with a drop of water?" The little bird answered, "Yes, I can." And the bird determines and says, if there is a will, a small creature can do great work. So willingness should be there within each one of us. So try to do little things, though we can't do great things, but some work we all have to do for our society. Now see, I read for you. We can do it. हम सब कर सकते. और can we do it? क्या हम सब कर सकते? Yes. You may ask that. What can one do? What can one person do? One person can do a lot of things, isn't it? I would recollect a story of my childhood. A heavy fire had broken out in the forest. All the animals were running away, including lion, the king of the forest. Suddenly, then he saw a tiny bird rushing towards the fire. He asked the bird, "What are you doing?" The lion, surprised, The bird replied, I am going to extinguish the fire. The lion laughed and said, How can you do it, keeping just one drop of water in your beak? The bird was adamant, and she said, I am doing my bit. Now next paragraph. 18 years ago, millions of individuals marched across the globe and demanded a new international law for the abolition of worst form of child labor. And it has happened. We did it. Millions of individuals did it. कहने का मतलब है 18 साल पहले चारों तरफ दुनिया में सब जन आंदोलन किए कि चाइल्ड लेबर ख़त्म होना चाहिए करके, और सब ने एक साथ जुट गए और फिर चाइल्ड लेबर बंद हो गया. Now last, friends, we live in an age of rapid globalization. We are connected through high-speed internet. Next page. We exchange our goods and services in one single global market. Thousands of flights every day connect us from one corner to another corner of the world. But there is one serious disconnect, and there is a lack of compassion. Let us inculcate and transform this individual's compassion into a global compassion. Let us globalize compassion. Compassion means pity and concern for others or those suffering. Now, the author is telling, though we are living in the internet world, though we can connect within a fraction of seconds with each other, but still then we do not have pity, we do not have love, we do not have concern for the other people. Then what is the use of staying in the internet era? Okay, now next I'll continue in the next video.